Okay, so on this question, they want us to match the graphs to their equations. So we have these four different equations, which are really pretty similar. And then we have these four graphs. Like they're all ellipses. There's an ellipse, in the upper right-hand corner. There's one there. There's one there. And there's one there. Okay. Four different ellipses. So which is which? Well, first off, let's talk about the center. So the way it works is look the center for this one. Let me scoot that over. So the center for this one is -3, +2. Notice what I'm doing there. I'm taking the opposite. So the opposite of the +3 is -3. And the opposite of the -2 is +2. So that tells you the center. Oops, I just blew it. -3 +2. So whatever is, so when they have numbers in the parentheses next to X or next to Y, you take the opposite of those numbers. And this is not the first time we've done this in the class, is it? Anytime we have a number next to X or next to Y, we always take the opposite of that number to find, is the effect, in this case, to find the center. So the center is -3, 2. How about for this second one? Well, for the second one here, center is +3, -2. For this third one down here, the center is +3, +2. And for this fourth one down here, center is -3, -2. So I'm always doing the opposite of whatever is next to X or Y in the parentheses. So these four different ellipses each have a different center. Do you notice that? They each have a different center. Because the signs are all changed, right? This one's negative, positive. This is positive, negative. This one's positive, positive. This one's negative, negative. So you always take the opposite of whatever's next to X or Y in the parentheses to be the coordinates of the center. And that'll be true for ellipses, hyperbolas, parabolas, for all these kind of graphs. It's always the opposite. So let me write that. Center is the opposite of the number next to X or Y in the parentheses of the numbers next to X or Y in the parentheses. Yeah. So, all right. So I found the centers by taking whatever's next to X and Y, then taking the opposite and the opposite. So there's the centers. So now let's find them. So this one here, there's the center. +3 over 3 up 2. Which one is that? Well, that's this one right here. Right, that's this guy. That'll be A right there. Does that make sense? How about the next one? What's the center on this one? Right there. I think that's the center. Yeah, that is. So that's over 3 down 2. Which one has the center over 3 down 2? This one. So this one's B, huh? See him right there, over 3 down 2. All right, let's do the third one. Okay, so what's his center? Well, looks like right there. Center looks like it's back 3 up 2. Center is back 3 up 2. So which one is that? If we go back 3 up 2, that's this one here. See, and then so the last one must be the green one, which is -3, -2 for D. Let's go see. Yep, look at that right there. The center is -3, -2. So there it is. That's answer D. So we just found different centers for each of those ellipses. And again, how do you find a center? It's you take the two numbers that are in parentheses next to X and Y and take the opposite and the opposite. And that gets you your center. So there we go.